Perhaps one of the greatest advantages of becoming your own banker is the flexibility, versatility, and freedom that it provides. Unfortunately, many people, including those who have been practicing the infinite banking concept for some time, do not completely understand just how flexible and powerful this concept can be. Because of this, they don't use their banks to their full potential, and they miss out on some amazing opportunities to further grow their wealth. Let's make sure that doesn't happen to you. In order to gain a deeper appreciation of the freedom that comes with becoming your own banker, you must first recognize that a properly structured whole life policy doesn't have many of the restrictions and limitations that are associated with some other financial vehicles. For example, you're not limited to contributing a specified amount each year based on the amount of your income. You're not required to begin taking distributions at a certain age. You're not penalized for accessing your money before reaching a certain age. You don't lose money when the markets go down. You're not required to pay taxes when you borrow money from your policy. And you don't have any restrictions on how to use your money. Why? Because every life insurance policy, which is a contract, plainly states that the owner of the policy, who's the person that pays the premiums, outranks every potential borrower in access to that money that must be lent. So what does this mean? This means that you, as the owner, have absolute control over the investment function of your policy. The insurance company can only invest the money in your policy if you, as the owner of the policy, do not exercise your option to use the money instead. So, what can you, as the owner, use this money for? Anything you want. That's right, you can use the cash value in your policy for anything you please. Once a policy is properly funded, many people will use the cash value in their policy to pay off high-interest credit cards, pay down student loans, pay down or pay off car loans, or pay down their mortgage. Over time, after making loan repayments back into the policy, people will sometimes use their banks to purchase new vehicles, make home improvements, pay for their children's college education, take a vacation they've always wanted to take, finance their children's weddings, pay down business loans, start a new business, pay for food and utilities while between jobs, pay for unexpected medical bills, provide primary or supplemental income during retirement, temporarily cover expenses during times of disability, start a leasing company, or take advantage of that once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that comes along. Of course, you always have the option of just letting your money accumulate in the policy as well. The choice is yours, and that's the point. You see, the infinite banking system gives you the freedom to do what you think is best. It puts you back in control of your finances without worrying about having to qualify to access your money. So go ahead, be creative. Use your bank to do whatever you want to do. You're only limited by your imagination. It's your money. It's your bank. Use it as you please. But remember, be an honest banker so you can take advantage of future opportunities as they come. By becoming your own banker, you will soon be in a position to stop supporting the employees and shareholders of other banks and finance companies through all of the interest you're paying to them, and instead use that money to support you and your family. Becoming your own banker will prove to be one of the wisest decisions of your lifetime.